dear students and parents, welcome back to another exciting class of coloring. Today I have a new picture. Look at the board, children. Look at this picture. Can you guess the name of this picture? Yes, very good. It's a baby bird. And this baby bird is trying to say something. What is it trying to say? Look here, it's trying to say tweet, tweet. The sound of a baby bird is called tweet, tweet. Look at this baby bird, children. It has little wings and a little tail. Look at its beak. Isn't it looking cute? So, we are going to learn how to color this bird. Look here. I have a little picture of the same kind of bird. You will find this bird in your coloring book also. Isn't this also looking cute? So after you color your bird, it will look like this. Look children, this is your Art Express book. In this book, you will find this bird on page number 3. Isn't it the same bird? Look, you can see two birds here. One is colored for you and the other one is blank. You need to follow the same colors as you can see in the colored one to color the blank picture. So after you color the blank picture, both the birds will look the same. Both the birds are friends. So they will be happy to look the same. So come, let's start coloring. Okay children, do you remember the colors you saw in the book? Yes, very good. The body of this little bird was yellow. So I have taken a yellow crayon and now I am going to start coloring. Children, follow me. Start from the top. As I had told you earlier, you need to color in the same direction neatly. Be very careful. Your color must not go out of the black line. Color slowly and carefully, children. This bird will be happy soon after it's colored. Look, I'm coloring its head. Slowly I will be coming down to its face and then to the rest of its body with the same yellow color. Color in the same direction, children. You must remember this. Parents, you need to help your children when they color in their coloring book. As I had told you earlier, if you see any white parts left out, you need to color it up. Color very carefully and neatly. Now I'm coloring its face. Look at its cute eyes. Isn't it looking nice? Yes. Its beak will be of another color. So color carefully. Don't color the beak yellow. The beak will be a different color. Look, now we are coming lower to its body. looking nice, children? Yes, it's looking beautiful. This little bird is going to feel very happy now. Now I'm going to come down and color its body. See, isn't it nice? Color very carefully, children. I can still see some white parts left out, which I'm going to color up and make it look nice and neat. Now I'm coloring its little wing. Look here, children. As you see some white parts, you need to color it up. Now after coloring, it will look nice, beautiful, neat work. Look here, isn't it looking neat? Okay, now I'm going to its next wing. And you need to follow the same direction. And be careful, your color must not go out of the black line. See? Now, both the wings are colored. This little bird is really looking cute. Now, which part is left, children? Yes, its tail. We are coloring its tail with the yellow crayon. Start coloring, children, in the same direction like you had done earlier. Look here, I'm coloring from top to bottom. See, in the same direction, neatly and slowly. See, come down, color up all the white parts. See, wasn't it exciting coloring this bird? Yes, you will enjoy it when you color it in your book. Parents, please help your children to color neatly. They need to practice. So, now all the parts of this bird have been colored yellow. Now, which parts are left, children? Its beak and its legs. So, I'm taking a red crayon and now I'm going to color its beak. Its cute beak. Look here, you need to color this very carefully. See? Now this little bird is looking very cute after it's colored. It's really going to be happy to see itself looking beautiful. And then it will fly around tweeting. Now its feet in the same direction from top to bottom. And carefully, the color should not come out of the black borderline. We keep these cute little birds in our homes as pets also. You must be having some pet at home, children. Is it a bird? People keep parrots as pets and many kinds of birds as pets also. Look here. Now it's really looking cute. Children, you all need to practice coloring very neatly. Parents, please help them to color when they are doing it in their coloring book. Thank you.